Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can export your items from WordPress to Shopify, or rather your product. So let's get right into it. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is export your files from WordPress into a CSV file. And for that, I would recommend this app right here. It's called Product Export for WooCommerce to CSV, Excel, XML, and the Google Merchant Center. You're just going to download this and follow the instructions to export your products as a CSV. Now, the CSV is basically a database file. It can be viewed either in Excel or a text editor. So what we're going to do once we have that CSV file is we're going to go over into Shopify and go into products. Once you're here, you'll be able to import your products by using the import button in the top right. If you have no products lined up, then you'll just have an import button next to add a product, and pretty much all you need to do is just click on import. Once you're here, you'll just need to add a file, and you're just going to click on that, and then it's going to open up your search, your Explorer or File Explorer, and you're just going to add the CSV file over here. They're going to click upload and preview, and then just upload it finally once you go over the preview, and then your items and your products will be ported over to Shopify. And that's basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.